In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Typeform. Starting your journey in Typeform is straightforward and can pave the way for engaging interactive form experiences. We'll take it step by step, right from getting your account all set up to hitting that publish button for your very first form. First things first, you'll want to sign up or log into Typeform. Head over to the Typeform homepage and you'll see the options to sign up using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. If you go the email route, make sure to verify your address. This step is necessary to activate your account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself in your workspace. This area is your central hub where you'll manage all your forms, making it easy to keep everything organized. Now, let's start creating your form. Look for the plus Create a New Form button and give it a click. You have a few choices here. You can start from scratch if you're feeling creative and want to build your content manually. Alternatively, you could import an existing form from Google Forms, create something with AI assistance, or simply choose from suggested question types to get a head start. Building your form content is where the fun begins. In the builder, you'll add questions by clicking plus Add Content. Typeform offers an array of question types, like multiple choice, short text, email, date, and rating, to name a few. For those who desire a conversational and interactive experience, consider adding a welcome screen. This element is especially effective for those using contact forms or surveys. After setting the tone, continue by adding relevant questions such as name, email, or message. To keep things visually stimulating, consider incorporating image or video elements. Additionally, using the @ symbol, you can insert responses from previous questions for a more personalized touch. Once you've outlined your content, it's time to adjust the design and layout of your form. Select the Design button to play around with fonts, colors, and themes to ensure your form looks appealing. Remember to toggle between desktop and mobile preview modes to ensure it's mobile-friendly. That way, no matter where users are filling it out, it'll look just right. If you want to take your form up a notch, you might consider adding some logic. In the Workflow tab or Logic map, you can branch questions based on responses. This makes your form more dynamic. For example, follow-up questions only appear when certain answers are selected, perfect for quizzes or outcome-based flows. Next, give your form a test run with the Preview option. Click the eye icon to see your form's flow and content in action. While your changes are auto-saved, remember to click Publish to make everything live. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to share your creation. Click on the Share option, and you'll be able to copy the public link, get an embed code for your website, or even generate QR codes and direct links for easy distribution. And there you have it, your very own interactive form ready to go with Typeform.